Thank you for streaming my song, Lick. I'm on the top 200 charts in America, guys. I love y'all.
Yeah, people, so congratulations to Shenseea. When you hear she just said she's up on the Billboard at 200, right? As well as the song getting 2.2 million views in just 24 hours. You see what I say? It's a good look for a eye. Now, people, you know, we already talk about the song. People still talk about the song, but we have to just call it what it is. The song had the numbers already, right? But not only that, people, you know, she link up with the person, the artist that she took the sample from, right? Well, I'm not going to say took like she take it, but we are talking about Denise Belfon, right? And that's the Trinidadian artist that sing the original song, the original work. You know, we talk about the part, we say, put your back in it, right? So, yeah, people, may have that video there for showing it. So take a look at this. Here goes.
Denise, she is the original queen for Put Your Back in It. The whining queen straight from Trinidad. Bless them up, no man. We like women will support each other, support other women. We support each other business. We stand up to each other. So any waste man want to come talk about the talk to all of we. So big up yourself, Denise. Thank you so much for clearing my song. You never fight me. You put on your hand and help me up, and I want to just give you up. Thank you.
I just want to say thank you so much to Shenseea and the whole team. Put your back in it. Put your back in it. Put your back in it.
Yeah, so it's a good look, people. I just want to say respect to these two ladies. You saw me and say both Denise Belfon and Shenseea. You saw me and say I love the unity and I know so I respect it as well. Now, people, Shenseea was on live and she have some things to say. You see what I mean? I say, because she has said she not take no chat this year. Me telling you, she said that already, but now we have the video where she has said for herself. So, just to make it clear though, even though she are going to say a thing when I go hear that, we'll talk about that later. She are talk about the fans and people who support her music, right? So, take a listen to what Shenseea say. Here goes.
I'm not even going to tell y'all all the things that I had to do to make sure this shit was right. It was stressful, but it was worth it. I shot this video on my birthday. You heard? On my birthday. The next time I come on live, I know you guys wanna know how the collab came about. I'm gonna tell you the next time I come on live. Give that American accent a rest. No, because Americans, majority of them, they can't really understand patois when we speak. So if you hear me talking with that accent, I'm speaking to the Americans. When you hear me chat Jamaican, I own me a chat too. If you hear me a twang, I own me a chat too. Because you can understand both. So me have to talk sometimes so other people can understand. Osh. Chris Brown posted you on his story. Hard work, keep going, sis. You know Kalash. Rihanna, the real MVP. She is. That's my motherfucking queen. I told you I'm not going to be chill this year, you know. Last year, I really chilled. And me just make me people talk. I see people asking already who is running my account. And me run every account for myself. And me control my shit. Me. It's just that I've been real cool. And I'm still gonna be cool, but I'm gonna voice my opinion more because sometimes you just have to. And I just want to let people, like other artists, know that it doesn't make you less of a star to speak about how you feel. It doesn't. You're a human. Me know that. You're a human. But as for any female artist who try to come at me this year, I'm not answer none. None. Because I'm not depend with none of uno. I have to go Work on yourself. I'm not answer nobody when they come on to. No artist I try put me down. I'm not answering none.
Yeah, people. So once again, she says she not answer no female artist where I try to compete with her this year, right? But as fans and, you know what I mean, people will support the music or even people will critique the music or critique her as a person, if you don't say nothing, she a go address it. You see what I say? So that she a deal with. Now people, she and Raj is on the live as well, and don't know Raj join the live too. And you know, him a big up him Rajero them, cause that's why him calling people him. But Shenseea say, boy, she don't like his name. She don't think say it really a work. You see what I say? So them they look for your name. And me and Mono can help out as well and put in the comment section what you think Raj should call theme people. You see what I say? The people them will support Raj. Where them should a name. So then go through a couple names. And you can comment if you don't like none I wanna hear so far. Right? So take a listen to this. Here goes.
I don't think you should call people who loves you Rajeros.
Why? Because they sound good?
No, it just sounds weird. It's
Don't you think
Rajeros.
I should call them?
Matter of fact, ask them. I don't think they want you to call them Rajeros. That sounds like a cereal or something.
Wait. Guys, what do you think I should call you? Rajera Haruk Juki. Benny! That's Auntie, mommy, say shout out to Benny.
Yeah, shout out to Benny.
Yeah, shout out.
Somebody said to call us that, baby. No!
No!
That sounds weird. Rajeros? Stop making my
Guys, thank you. Thank you.
Somebody says gyros. Gyros? I don't know.
I
That
don't
sounds
know.
like...
It sounds like...
No, not you.
Oh. It sounds like snails. Personally, I'm a Rajero. Personally...
Wait, what you say? Gyros sound like what?
It sounds like a snail.
So what you think Rajeros sounds like?
It smells...
Somebody says Rajites? What's Rajites?
Wait. Team Raj. I think that's a good one. Team Raj is good.
Yeah, I like Team Raj. Somebody said Jerryos.
Jerry-
Raj Nation.
Raj Nation is not bad. This bar is an enemy.
The Rojarians. Wait, no. Call us Raj Yangs.
Like Shenny mixed together with Raj Yangs.
Raj Yangs. Raj Yangs. No, somebody else says Raj Yangs again.
I think I'm just gonna call them Rajeros. Okay, no.
I mean, whatever you want to call him still. Don't let me
Hey,
stop
people
your
are
shine.
following you.
Don't let me stop your shine, boy.
Guys, thank you for following my mommy.
Now, a few other names that were mentioned when we were in the video, but remember them because Shenseea never liked them none at all. Somebody did say Rugrats and somebody say Raja Muffin, right? So, them two, they just make me laugh still. You see what I say? But people like me say, get in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video overall. Tell me what you think about what Shenseea say. You know, I'm not going to ask anyone to think about the song or nothing like that. But me know I'm not going to comment about the song anyway. You see what I say? But, you know what I mean? Do what you want to do. Get in the comment section. And big up on yourself. Everybody stay safe out there. Alright? I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. That's LIG. Atina. Excuse me. That's LIG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.